Introducing the Tornador Essential Paint Correction Kit. Developed by the trusted makers of the Tornador cleaning tools, this complete system, featuring the Tornador polishers, pads, and correction products, is engineered to work seamlessly together. It gives detailers the full range of options needed to match any level of paint correction, from aggressive cutting to a flawless ceramic finish. The Tornador Essential Paint Correction Kit includes a 1500 compound, ceramic polish, finishing glaze, and ceramic detail spray. Whatever the condition of your vehicle's paint, there's a Tornador pad and polish combination designed to get the job done right. 1500 compound levels and polishes to remove medium paint imperfections. It's composed of high-quality diminishing abrasives and VOC solvents that will allow enough working time to remove 1500 grit scratches from any painted surface, old or new. When used as directed, it will leave the surface leveled, clean and ready for the next step. Ceramic polish can be used as a standalone product or as an excellent choice for preparing any vehicle's surface for ceramic coating or detail spray application. Ceramic polish contains fine milled polishing agents to give a consistent cut throughout the buffing cycle, while ceramic material is deposited into the pores of the clear coat. Finishing glaze is designed to increase color depth and gloss for all painted surfaces. This easy-to-use glaze offers moderate protection with a virtually dust-free finish. Finishing glaze can also be hand-applied. For the final step, use Tornador ceramic detail spray and a finishing pad. Only a couple of sprays per panel are needed for adequate coverage. Ceramic detail spray is one of the easiest ways to get ceramic protection. It can be used as a standalone, with the ceramic polish to aid in removal, or as a ceramic coating booster. It delivers exceptional gloss and slickness to the treated surfaces, along with unparalleled surface protection. Ceramic detail spray can be used wet or dry.
Pretty slick.